A. So it is a simple if, else, end, and when you don't give end, you remove this end and run, it will show an error. At least one end is missing. So a MATLAB if should always have a closing end. Okay, if end is not there, MATLAB will not allow you to execute the code. It will throw up an error. Okay, so decision branching, we have seen it using a simple if-else branching in MATLAB. I want the answer for this. Everybody look into your screen and say me the answer. X value is -4. So what is the answer after the code is run? X value is -4, Y value is 10. So if X is less than 0, Y is equal to Y plus 1, else Y is equal to Y plus 2. So what is the value of Y after the code is run? A, B, C, D. E, X is -4 is less than 0, true. So if will be executed and Y is 10. So 10 plus 1 is going to be 11. We'll go with 11. Yes. I hope we are possessing the basic programming skills. So we are understanding, since we have learned the basic programming language, this MATLAB itself should not be a difficult thing for you. So now, see here, we are generating a random income which is between 0 to 5 lakh. We are generating a random integer where the maximum value is 5 lakh. Modify the script that so that when income is less than 9275, the top value of top rate is 0.10. Otherwise, top rate equal to 0.15. I am using a simple if. If income less than 9275, what should I do? Top rate equal to 0.1, 0.1, else top rate equal to 0.15. And I can, since the stop rate is used only inside the program, if you give outside if you give this outside, it will say top rate is not 1. So initially I am initializing top rate to 0, and here if I give display, I can see the value of top rate. See here, for 4 lakh, and the top rate is 0.15. 4.5 lakh, 0.15. 63,000, 0.15. 4.5 lakh, 0.15. I am waiting for the value 0.1. No low value is coming. See, yes, this is correct. I am just waiting for one value to see if it is 0.1. Yes, 6946.1. The income is less than 9275. This if loop is getting executed now. Otherwise, if else loop will get executed, and we are displaying the top rate value here. Now see here, we are going to use else if condition. So multiple conditions are given. So if income is less than 9275, top rate is 0.1. Very good. Now they are saying if income greater than or equal to 9275 and income less than 37,650, what they are saying, top rate equal to 0.15. Else top rate equal to 0.25. Are we having any issue with the code? Yes, the end is missing. So we have two ifs, right? So we should have two end. So if MATLAB is very alert, so it will definitely. See, that is what you have. You have to use else if together. Use else if together. You need not use multiple end. If you use else and give one more if, then you have to close this if again. So when you use else if as a single command, that is going to work. Now see here. 0.1, 0.25 I got. We'll see one example for 0.15. I am running the code. Yes. So all the three conditions are values we got. We'll see whether the thing is correct. Yes. And by mistake, don't use double ampersand. Single ampersand is enough. If I use double ampersand, I think MATLAB will not throw any error. It's still correct, but single ampersand is more than enough for MATLAB code. Okay, double ampersand is not required.